Hello children, today we'll start a new chapter which is multiplication, division and their applications. So let's see multiplication, some important points. The numbers that are multiplied are called the factors and the answer is called the product. Let's see an example. 7 into 9 gives you 63. Now the 7 and 9 are called the factors and the 63 is called the product. Some important points to remember. 2-digit number into 2-digit number cannot give a product of more than 4 digits. 3-digit number into 3-digit number cannot give a product of more than 6 digits. 3-digit number into 2-digit number cannot give a product of more than 5 digits. When you multiply by 10, 100 and 1000, the product will have at least the same number of zeros as the factors. Let's see an example of multiplication. 5986 into 42. Let's see how to multiply. So 2 6 are 12. We'll write 2 here and then we'll carry 1. Then 2 8s are 16. 16 plus 1 is 17. So I wrote 7 here and then we'll carry 1 here. Then 2 9s are 18. 18 plus 1 is 19. So 9 here and then we'll carry 1. 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. We'll take 11 as it is because here no number is there. Then we'll put 0 here. Then 4 6 are 24. We'll write 4 and then we'll carry 2. Then 4 8s are 32. 32 plus 2 is 34. So we'll keep 4 here and then we'll carry 3 here. Then 4 9s are 36. 36 plus 3 is 39. So we'll keep 9 here and then we'll carry 3 here. Then 4 5s are 20. 20 plus 3 is 23. Now here no number is there. So directly we'll write 23. Then we'll add these two numbers. So 2 plus 0 is 2. 7 plus 4 is 11. So we'll keep 1 here and then we'll carry 1 here. Then 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. So we'll take 4 and then we'll carry 1 here. Then 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 1 11. We'll keep 1 here and then we'll carry 1 here. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 5. We'll keep as it is 5. Then 2 plus here nothing is there. So we'll keep 2 as it is. Let's see division. The terms to be remembered in division are dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. Division is the inverse of multiplication. Inverse का मतलब है उल्टा. मतलब division जो है वो multiplication का उल्टा है. To check the answer, we'll use this formula. Dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. Let's see an example. We'll divide 16 by 3. So 16 is called the dividend. 3 is called the divisor. Now 3 5s are. So 5 is called the quotient. 3 5s are 15. We'll write 15 here. Then we'll minus this two number. We'll get the answer as 1. Now this 1 is known as the remainder. Let's see the dividend is equal to. So dividend is 16. So 16 is equal to quotient is 5. 5 into divisor is 3. So into 3 plus remainder is 1. So 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 1 is 16. So this is the right answer. Let's see an example. 12,686 divided by 51. Let's see how to divide it. Before starting this, we'll write 51 ka table here and we'll keep it for us to find it easy. So now 51 twos are. It is 102. We'll just take 3 digits number. When we minus, so 6 minus 2 is 4. 2 minus 0 is 2. If you write 0, will do. Otherwise, leave it. It is understood. Then we'll bring this 8 down. Now this is 248. We'll see the smaller number 248 less than that. Now this is 255 bigger than this. We'll take 51 fours are 204. We'll minus this two number. 8 minus 4 is 4. 4 minus 0 is 4. And we'll bring this 6 down. 446. Now we cannot take this number because it is bigger. We'll take 8 za 408. We'll minus this number. Now since 8 is bigger than 6, we'll carry from 4. So when we carry 1, 4 becomes 3. And this 16, 6 becomes 16. So 16 minus 8 is 8. 3 minus 0 is 3. If you write here 0, 4 minus 4, 0 will do, otherwise leave it. So now quotient is 248 and remainder is 38. If you understood all this, do the assignments for practice. Thank you.